In 2157, humanity has developed the great theory of education and gotten rid of wars, hunger, and terrorism. Earth's nature has healed, medicine has advanced enough to save people from any disease, and space traveling has become the norm. Max is traveling around the universe in his own spaceship while avoiding the calls from his family because they want him to go back to college. Suddenly an asteroid hits the ship and damages it severely, causing Max to plan an emergency landing. Unfortunately, the ship has become impossible to steer and crashes on the nearest planet. Max manages to get out right before it explodes, meaning he's now stuck on this strange land. He starts exploring the area and discovers signs of a bonfire, then notices a creature hiding nearby. Max tries to communicate with it, but the creature runs away when suddenly a soldier named Zeph finds them and points his gun at Max, saying something he can't understand. Max grabs from his belt a little translation device that he puts into his ear, causing the soldier to shoot at the belt to make Max lose it before arresting him and taking him to the nearest town. Max watches in shock how the town looks like a grim version of Earth, similar to what he's seen in history books. He's sent to a lab where some scientists put a helmet on his head to look into his thoughts as they interrogate him. However, they still don't believe he's an alien, and it's decided he'll be transferred to a mental hospital in the capital with Soldier Guy as his escort. At that moment, every person in the area starts enthusiastically chanting the country's anthem, promising loyalty to the government. However, Zeph collapses as he has a seizure and is taken away by the authorities. On the way to the city, Max notices the awful state of the town and some huge towers every couple of miles. Guy explains that they are protection against enemies. At that moment, an explosion destroys the base of a tower and makes it fall on the road, causing the debris to kill a few people while they try to run away and destroy most of the trucks. When a huge metal road pierces Max's truck, Guy gets caught under the rubble, but Max immediately rushes to pull him out with outstanding strength before they could be reached by the incoming flames. Then Max learns that rebels are trying to bring down the government, that's why they need the towers. Now they have no choice but to continue their trip on foot. As soon as they arrive in the capital, the head of the Department of Special Research Strider hears about it and asks his employee Funk to bring Max to his office.